In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace website live in just 5 minutes. Whether you're launching your site for the first time or taking it public after some updates, the process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few simple clicks. Let's dive right in and ensure your website is ready for the world to see. First, you're going to need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace homepage and locate the login button typically found at the top right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you're already signed in with Google across your devices, you can simplify this step by choosing to continue with Google. This option is a great time saver and minimizes the hassle of remembering passwords. Once you're logged in, your Squarespace dashboard will appear. Here you'll see a list of all your websites if you manage more than one. Simply click on the website that you want to make live. This is going to be your work environment throughout this quick process. Next, you need to navigate to your website settings. You'll find this option on the left-hand side navigation menu under Settings. Click on it to access a variety of options that allow you to configure your site. Within the settings, find and click on the website option. Here, you'll see a list of various features and configuration points you can manage. What you're looking for now is site availability. Clicking on this will take you to the section where you control who can view your site and how it is published. Now, you should see an option labeled Upgrade to Publish. Click on this button to proceed to the critical step of selecting a publishing plan. If your website is currently on a trial or a lower tier plan, you need to upgrade in order to publish the site live. This upgrade step involves selecting a plan that best suits your needs, whether it's personal, business, or commerce. Each plan comes with different features and benefits, so take a moment to review them before making a decision. Once you've selected your plan, proceed to the payment page. Enter your billing information to confirm and complete your purchase. After completing the payment, your website will be live. You should receive a confirmation screen or email indicating that your upgrade has been successful. And there you have it, your Squarespace website is now live and open to the public. Remember, you can always head back into your settings if you need to make adjustments or updates. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Enjoy sharing your freshly launched website with the world.